tuners? Not much going on today. I got a couple things in the mail. I had to get them from eBay because nobody in town had them. So I'll show you what I got. Mighty Thor 701 and the Amazing Spider-Man 797. I also got a third battery for my camera because this thing dies too quick. Probably get, I don't know, maybe 40 minutes on one fully charged battery, and that's not enough. But anywho, I gotta hit the gym, and then I gotta wait for my brother-in-law. He bought a blow-off valve for his Evo, so we're gonna install that today. I think he said he got the Greddy one, but we'll see. His co-worker gave him a Freddy one. I was like, dude, how are you supposed to hook this up with no flange? To have it custom made was gonna cost just as much as getting a new one, or close. It's good though, he's getting quality parts. I gotta redeem these before I put them away and never touch them again, because I do read them on the phone and the tablet, so I don't have to put fingerprints all over these. So let's get started. Check out this bag, WRX. This shit is low. Too bad he has fake wheels. So it does come with the pipe. Zip ties. Instructions in Japanese.
Oh, you can read Japanese, right?
Yeah, sure. Clamps. This is gasket. Extras. Vacuum hose and a cap. Okay. Let's go ahead and remove the stock unit.
So we going out tonight or what?
There you go.
We were talking about it. I was like, I feel like going out.
I need to go buy a new pump, so.
New pump for what?
Computer.
Oh yeah.
So it's already 200 down the drain.
Oh, that shit's hella good.
Man, this ain't even big enough to cap.
That was easy.
Hold on, I got a better idea. Oh, I hope all this shit don't fall off. Oh, you got it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my God.
A lot better.
Okay, so if you take that off,
You got a fucking pair of pliers?
yeah.
There's a stock one.
Here, hold this. I think I got it.
Get it? I know, that's what I'm gonna do.
Hopefully nothing flies on you.
What?
'Cause, I mean, you are facing the front. Just saying.
Let me face it backward?
If anything happens, you'll know.
Nice words of encouragement.
Didn't even come with that pipe, so how were you gonna hook it up?
That's what I said. It cost me what? 160, 170 bucks?
To get that made?
Yeah.
And that's pretty much a brand new one.
That's half of what this one cost.
Really?
It's cost 300. It's cost 300.
Why didn't you get the HGS one? I think those were two.
I didn't want that HGS one.
Oh, I didn't want
And
them.
they're about the same price with the flange. They're about
Just
like,
3 with the flange.
I think it's because of the flange. It's so fucking much.
I need to get
And that way at least I know it's secure enough.
Wait. You should put your air filter back on. Air filter back on. Fuck, can't even say that shit right. Okay, so you're done then?
Done with that.
Now you have a box full of extra shit like I do.
Yay!
It's just gonna start collecting and collecting. That's right. Man, that shit looks scary. You done this already? No, I mean taking the interior apart.
Nope.
Oh. So you're just gonna break everything off?
No, it just does it.
Oh, it just breaks on its own?
No, it doesn't break. It just snaps off. Only thing that sucks. Why isn't it coming out? There you go.
Is there a harness back there?
There.
What was that, CD changer? That's a big ass CD player. Fuck. You gotta take that out too?
Yep.
You gonna sell that?
Am I gonna sell it?
Yeah. Hey man, you never know.
The only thing is, I gotta take this out, and this out.
Why? Oh.
See why now?
Yeah.
I mean, it's gonna be kind of hard to sell without vents.
No, it's not. Damn, that shit's low.
Damn.
I only have an hour on this memory card. I bought a 256, and as soon as I bought it, the seller
Backed out.
closed his account. I never got it. So eBay was like, "Oh, here, we'll give you the money back."
Is that fucking thing?
SD card?
Yeah.
It's a free SD card.
Hey, leave that shit back in there.
Hold on, I want to see how big it is. I might take it. So when you start your car, you have to wait.
Or to turn, like, to kick on.
Wow. You need a
Shut up, bitch. I don't wanna hear-
SSD in here or some shit. Okay,
The one that you fucking popped out, where you said it just came out.
pretty sure. It's just, you might want to line things up, huh?
It is lined up.
Oh. This fat. Stay fatty. What are you doing here?
She has nowhere to go.
Oh. What's up, Shrek?
Says donkey. No, I'm sorry, donkey.
Me either.
So I was washing my hands.